Hey River Kids, I'm so excited to get you ready for our big craft. So here's what you're going to need for our Wednesday craft session. Hey River Kids, so these are the items that you are going to need for our craft. You can get brown construction paper and yellow construction paper, or 2 pieces of white paper and color them brown and yellow. Going to need a pencil, a straight edge, this can be a ruler, and either crayons or drawing pencils or markers if you like. You'll also need a rectangular template, something you can trace. Also, don't forget, you're going to need a red rubber band cut or a bag tie or a piece of string or red ribbon for our project. You'll also need scissors and tape. Okay, so let's start with our brown construction paper or the white paper you colored brown. And we're gonna grab our straight edge. I'm using a piece of wood, but a ruler will do just fine. So what we wanna do is we want to line up our straight edge, just like this. And we're gonna trace a line. And then we're gonna pick it up, line it back up, and draw a line again. And we're going to continue to do this all the way down the paper. Okay. Now we're going to turn our straight edge just like that, okay? And every other, we are going to draw a straight line from top to the line. We skip this one, skip this one, skip this one, and there you go. Now you're going to pick this up and move it over. And now we're going to do the lines of the boxes that we skipped. So not this one, but this one. Not that one, but this one. Skip, skip. Okay, let's do one more. So now we're going to line our straight edge up and we're going to go back to our original. The first thing we did, which was this one, skip, and this one, skip, this one, skip, and then this one. And now we're going to repeat that all the way through. So we have our wall of Jericho. Now we are going to make our window. You're going to want to take your rectangular template, okay, and set it a little off-centered, and then we're going to trace around it. Now, the easiest way to cut in the center of a paper, if you've been using a template. Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and cut out our window. One way to get your scissors in is just to poke a hole. Taking your scissors, go ahead and cut out your window. Now we have our window. The next thing we're going to want to do is to take our yellow paper or the white paper that you've colored yellow, and we're also going to want to cut this piece of paper in half. So you can fold it in half or you can cut it in half. I'm going to cut mine. And this doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be on the inside of your wall. All right, so what this is going to do is this is going to be the light in the window, okay? So once we make our wall, this will be in the background. So this is a great place to have some fun. Imagine Rahab in here and what she might be doing looking out the window, either letting the spies down or seeing them come back. So this is where you can get creative. Let's imagine Rahab standing in the window. What do you think she was thinking? Well, let's draw her and let's see. All right. Now, I think I'm going to go ahead and draw Rahab. Okay. Get creative at this point. But you can imagine that Rahab is in the window. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is, I told you you've got a couple of options. We are going to make the scarlet cord that Rahab will place out the window. So here are just a couple of options. You could take a piece of string and use marker, but you want to color it red. If you have a plastic tie, bag tie at the house, you can color it red. Or if you have a rubber band, you can use it. But for this today, I'm going to use some leftover Christmas ribbon. And I'm going to cut it. And now I'm going to put the ribbon in the window by using some tape. So you just lift this up, put this on the edge, and flip it over. Okay, so now we have our wall, we have Rahab in her house, and then we have the scarlet cord. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to make this come to life. And so we're going to flip it over. And just like so. Okay, we are going to tape the ends of our yellow paper down. Okay, and then we are going to fold our wall. And then we're going to tape it. Okay, so there we have Rahab in the window, brave, protecting her family, sending the message to the Israelites that she was a believer in God.